What's up, y'all? We out here, man. Big fish squad. Finna try to get. It's 8:05. Finna set up, man. I got my lights and everything, man. We finna get out here, man. Let's do it. Come on. How y'all doing? That's crazy, man. That he just jumped in the water. He hot. I'm telling you. Look at him. Look at him. That is crazy. What's up, y'all? Finna sit up right here. Look. Right here on the dock. I got all my gear. All my gear in the bag, man. I got GoPro, everything. Let's go on get it. Yeah, we finna shoot right here. See if we can catch us another 30 pounder. Another 30 pounder, 40 pounder. Let's see what we can do. Yes, sir, man. I got finna catch some bait right quick. Oh, that was what we finna do. We got some bait rods and we got the big rods, man. Let's motherfucker go. We got these big ones. Our bait rods. Let's get it. Come on. Last but not least, handy dandy cooler, man. In case we catch some keepers. The ones we want to eat. Let go. Come on. Keep it going. You got it going.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, this shit out here beautiful, bro. Look at this shit. Look out here. Look at this shit, man.
Nice little area. We out here fishing for some bait. I catch some little brims.
See if we get a little couple of bait right quick, y'all.
A little baby brim.
Fucking go. You got one? Got off? The bait lady. We got the bait lady out here. She said she gonna get us some bait. We losing sunlight.
That other one hit so quick. Got the first bait.
First bait, man. This one of the baits, man. I'm gonna cut him up, though. I'm gonna put 2 pieces out of him. We're gonna do the head. Check her out. Show y'all how we use these bluegills. Bluegill, we ain't got but one. So we gotta use him. One piece. What that bitch going with? That bitch sharp, though.
Mm-hmm.
2 pieces. Cut that off. Just like that.
You cut the little fin off.
She caught the first bait. Is what we doing with. Got the head, y'all see it's still moving. He's still moving. Take this. Straight through
the lips.
the lips. You see that? 2 pieces. 2 pieces. Cut that off. 1 piece. 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 1 That's how you want it. Then we just gonna throw them out there. Make sure everything's straight. He ready? We gone. Watch out. He out there. Open that drag. Get some drag. He good. Second rod. Second rod going out. We just gonna hook that one right through the side. That's how you want it. Just like that. He ready to go. Just like that, he ready to go right here too.
Mm-hmm.
Open the drag.
Ready to catch some slabs.
There we go, chat. Fuck it on. Chat, let's go. What my phone look like? You see me? Oh, yeah, another monster. You got that one. But I'm not stuck on something.
Damn, he done got stuck. He out there though.
Oh, that's him out there.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's him. Oh, that's him.
Oh.
Your rod real dead.
Yes.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
Move it, move it, move it. Oh, that's him. Oh, this motherfucker's just so big.
I see. I can tell.
I'm sitting here thinking I'm stuck.
And that's just a big fish.
This bitch too big. I can't even move him. Like, he too big.
You just feel like you're stuck, but he just really big. Oh man.
Bruh, I don't know how big he is, but he my PB. This another PB. Oh, he moving though, man. I don't want to go tangle my other rod. Come here, bro. Oh, look at him, man. Look at him. He right here. Get the knife, bro. Get the knife. Oh. Oh, my God.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh. Yes, let's fucking go. Oh, look at him, man. Look at him. He's right here. Get the light. Get the... Oh. Oh, my God. Oh. 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 Yes, let's fucking go. Come on. Come on, get the other light. Get the other light and the camera. Get the other light and the camera back. And bring it over here. Get me, baby. Get me. Big fish squad, let's go, man. We out here fighting this monster. Get the monster, get the monster. Look at the monster. Get that motherfucker. I'm trying to... Come here, big boy. Come here. Don't grab nothing.
I'm not. Oh, believe me, I'm not. He mad. Gotta pull his butt on up.
He mad. He mad. Are you giving up? Yeah. Oh, get me. Fucking PB Blue Cat. Motherfucking PB. Man, stop motherfucking playing, man. We catch a motherfucking slab. Get your phone out. Get your phone out. Get your phone out. Get your motherfucker. Come on to the top. It's my PB Blue Cat, man. I don't know how big he is again. He probably a fucking, you see him? Man, look at this shit, man. Big PB, man. Big fish squad, man. We do this shit, man. Big fish squad, man. Sit him down. Look at this monster, man. Gotta get it. Well, come here. This little motherfucker bite me. boy. Y'all see this? My big PV. Finna let him go, y'all. Big boy. Get right, bro. You ready? Big girl. I don't want to even let her go, y'all. I want to take it to my pond. You ready?
There she goes.
Bye-bye, man. Big fish go out, man. Look at him. Big fish go out, man. That's how we do, man. Let's go, baby. Baby got her one on now. Baby got her one. Baby got her one, y'all. Check her out. Check her out. Get it, baby. It's up here.
I don't know.
Let me see. Let's see. Oh, she got a slab. She got a fucking slab. Really, man. Don't go under my rod, though. You can pick it up, really, with the rod. Okay, then. We can keep that.
Oh, yeah.
That's a keeper. Let's fucking go, man.
Say super.
Super. Super big fishes, man. Smile, though.